For us, sustainability is not just a trend, it's not just some regulation or laws we need to take into consideration. For us, it's about running a sustainable business where we take social responsibility. We take responsibility for the environment, for our surroundings, but also it's about having a business model where we have a good business also in many years from now. In general, it has always been a part of our DNA to use as less material as possible and as less energy as possible. For us, it's common sense to create products that secure the best indoor climate for our customers, but also secures the lowest environmental impact in the world. First of all, our business model is based on premium products. We want to have products that are premium quality and that lives long out at our customers' sites. That also means that we have chosen not to base our income on products that break down and need spare parts all the time. For us, that is common sense, both because we don't need as much components, but also because our customers don't need to worry about needing spare parts or when the equipment is going to break down. Especially the last year, we have used a lot of time and energy to create product-specific EPDs. We want product-specific EPDs to make sure that we are evaluating on our exact components and our exact products. This means that we have analyzed our components one by one, looked at what materials have been used, how are the components produced, how are they transported to our place, and so on. Overall, we are looking at how our products affect the environment. The EPDs can be used, for example, when our customers need a life cycle assessment, but also we are actually using them ourselves. This analysis can be used at our place to look at in details which components have the biggest impact on the environment and where can we make improvements to secure it is better in the future.